Hi, questions in Introduction to Statistics. Here is the textbook we used. Exercise 4.9. A survey classified a large number of adults according to whether they were judged to need eyeglasses to correct their reading vision and whether they used eyeglasses when reading. The proportions falling into the four categories are shown in this table. If a single adult is selected from this large group, find the probability of each event. The adult is judged to need eyeglasses. Here is the result. The adult needs eyeglasses for reading, but does not use them. Here is the result. The adult uses eyeglasses for reading, whether he or she needs them or not. Here is the result. Exercise 4.14. For equally qualified runners, JBED run a 10-meter sprint, and the order of finish is recorded. How many simple events are in the sample space? There are 24 simple events in the sample space. If the runners are equally qualified, what probability should you assign to each simple event? Here is the result. What the probability that D wins the race? We get this result. What is the probability that D wins and J places second? We get this result. What is the probability that E finishes last? We have this result. Exercise 4.15. In a genetics experiment, the researcher mated two Drosophila fruit flies and observed the traits of 300 offspring. The results are shown in this table. One of these offspring is randomly selected and observed for the two genetic traits. What is the probability that the fly has normal eye color and normal wing size? We get this result. What is the probability that the fly has vermilion eyes? We get this result. What is the probability that the fly has either vermilion eyes or miniature wings or both? We get this result. Thanks for watching. Bye.